Hello everyone. So in this lecture we'll be creating our gun pickup base. Okay. So let us begin. So the first thing is we will require a rifle pack. So let us open up the Epic Games launcher again and go to Marketplace and let us search for weapons. Okay. And I know one that would be the military pack that I know is or should be free is this one, military weapon silver and the dark. So I will actually just use the silver pack. You can use the dark pack if you want. Are there any different weapons or are the same? Looks the same to me. So I'll just go ahead with the silver. Yeah. So just add to project. I'll add to mine. So this might take a while. It's a big file. Uh, okay, so it was added and now it should be in your content folder over here, military weapons. So let us check the weapons. Okay, so these are skeletal meshes, which is good. And also in our pickup base, we are using static meshes, right? So what we'll do is we'll create another base pickup for weapons and we'll not be using our pickup base as the parent. Okay, so we'll create a new bp underscore weapon base from the actor blueprint class, this one. Okay, so we already did that, and I'll create a new um, folder and I'll call this weapon and move the weapon base over there. So this is the parent class is an actor. Okay, and we'll go to class defaults and add the DPI interaction that we have. So we'll copy the functions from the pickup base as we had done before. So we'll add a skeletal mesh. Okay, a point light and an interaction widget. So I'll copy this to and just paste it over here. And the skeletal mesh will be our root component. For the weapon base, we'll have nothing. And then there's the point light and the interaction widget. Let's move to the event graph. Let's see. We have nothing on the construction script, which is good. Over here in the begin play, we have these two: pick up cooldown, pick up duration. So I'll copy paste this over here as well. Just create these variables. That's it. Cooldown as well. And after that, copy all of this, paste it here. Direction reference, open close inspection text, copy this one out, paste it here, and make sure all of the variables are true and the functions as well if there are any. Okay, so this is done from the event graph. Now comes the interaction graph. So I will create an interaction graph here as well. So I will actually just copy paste all of this and paste it, and obviously do nothing over here and confirm. So some of this will break. So all you have to do is just copy these functions and paste it over here. Do nothing, confirm. copy this set pickup, paste function, and this one as well, copy, paste it over here, and then we'll create the variables, back to references. So refresh this, refresh it over here as well, pull down, create it, create all the missing variables, and over here, let's just check it, calculate pickup cooldown, subtract value of 1. Okay, that's fine. Everything is fine over here. In the inspection graph over here now is where the problems would be. Cancel pickup. So create the variable here, refresh this one as well, compile. So this one cancel pickup is fixed. Over here, refresh nodes, even begin pickup is fine. And finally, this one over here, instead of the static mesh, change it with the skeletal meshes, and you are done. See? So for the weapon pickup, I will go ahead and save all from this. Go to weapon pickup and create a child, and I'll call this bp underscore pistol. Okay, so in the pistol, the skeletal mesh should be for the pistol A. Anim class, we don't have any at this point, so it's fine. Interaction widget should be down below. And the collision over here should be custom, collision enable, dynamic. Camera can be ignored. And yeah, put it down below like this. And am I missing something? Should not be. Let's see. So this one should work. Yeah, it works. That's fine. And this one works as well. But if I press E, nothing happens, as you can see, right? So this is because go to class defaults. Inspection is true. Let's go ahead. Yeah. Now if I press back, nothing happens, as you can see. So that is because we did not add this one, I guess, in our weapon base. Did we? Yeah, we did. Okay, this is why it's causing an issue. Is EY inspect, it takes a pickup reference as this. So since pick weapon base is not a pickup base, so remove widget function isn't being called. So actually we have to make it to an active reference. object reference. This should not break anything. Okay, so compile, save. Over here it will not break anything. In the weapon base as well it will not break anything, but now it should be working back. Okay, so paste back, and as you can see, I can actually, it gets removed, but this one does not get destroyed. That's because we do not have the end pickup over here. So what we'll do is we'll go to find our third person character as well, and in our inventory we already had that B has gun. Okay, so let's go to the weapon base, and just for pistol over here, this will be our end pickup, and this one will has gun, set has gun to true, and then destroy actor, right? So now let's see, I take it and this is destroyed, and now I now have the gun and the flashlight. Pick up the flashlight. Now I have the flashlight, but as you can see now it's broken, and also I don't play the animation anymore. So our weapon base has been created, and now we should go ahead and fix that issue, right? So let's go to our third person character, and in the add inventory we have this socket flashlight. Now since we changed the mesh, right, to the UV4 one, this skeleton no longer has that. So in the flashlight over here, go to the skeleton tree, get this hand over here, and this would be my right hand. Sorry, hand underscore R, this one, and I will add a socket, and this one will be my flashlight socket. Okay, I'll add preview asset of, what was it called? Um, SM cube 3. I can find it, it's fine. Hmm, I can't find it. That is weird, but I can't find it. Okay, there we go. There we are. That's fine. Remove all attached assets. I don't have a flashlight mesh here, so I'll just save it from here and add this flashlight to flashlight. Stop it. And this mesh. Oh my bad. This will be point one. This looks fine. This looks fine. I mean, I don't have any meshes for the torch yet, so that's fine for me. Animation blueprint, see. So press E, get back, press F. It should be attached to my hand. And now this is working. Seems to be working fine. The only thing is the size of it. Why did the size mess up from here? Actually, I'll make it to none. I have no idea why the size messes up like this. Is it because of this? No. Hmm. Okay, let's go to the front view. This have to target, which is fine. Everything seems fine to me. Okay, also the other thing is the animation does not play, so that's a issue. And let's fix that. And this is here, right? So this animation is the old one, that's why. So get the new right. Let's see. This is the equipment graph, default graph. Okay. So let's go to the animation. We have the flashlight here. Create any montage. We'll call this AM underscore UE4 flashlight. Okay. Go to the montage section. If you don't have it open, go to Windows and montage sections. Okay. Now click over here, default next section. So it's again looping, and change this one to the equipment. Save, close it out. And this one should fix it. Press F, press F8. Why is this so big? Okay, let's see. Okay, wait. My bad. Go to go to the skeleton. This content animations. We have that flashlight here. Details. Relative scale. Point one. Point one. Point one. Yeah. Now it's scaling down. So just make sure that this it has a relative scale of zero point 0.1 and it will be fixed. So, and after that, once this is done, now we have to go to the animation part, which was animation graph here. So, animation UV4 flashlight. I don't have a flashlight. Pick up, press F, and yeah, now you can see it goes down, it goes up. This is working fine, which is good. So the hand doesn't go here where it actually should be going. So this is actually something we have to work on this as well. So our hand goes to the side as well from left to right like this. So yeah, we'll have to fix that. And the way to fix that would be we will require a few more of the emote sets. Okay, so I'll not actually show you how to create this, but in our next lecture I will have them prepared because it takes a bit of time to actually make these, right? So I'll not waste any video time to show what I have already taught you. Okay, so thank you guys, and we'll continue with the weapon and the flashlight in our next lecture. Okay.